Good evening, sir. I'm K. Jayashree, Department of BCom General. My roll number 20 CPZ B33. My topic is paper industry. Indian paper industry accounts for about 1.6 percentage of the world production of paper and paperboard. The estimated turnover of the industry is rupees 25,000 crore and its contribution to the exchequer is around rupees 2,918 crore. Paper is produced in many countries of the world, but its major producer are Canada, USA, Russia, Germany, Norway, Sweden, UK, Japan, China, India, etc. Indian paper industry has larger significance to man. The industry has assumed greater importance in India with the growth of literature. Paper is required for books, magazines, periodicals, newspapers, writings, and for various other purposes. In fact, paper is indispensable to man in the present day world. Paper is made for variety of materials like rags, cereals, strains, jute, hemp, bamboo, bagasse, grass, sabai grass, wood pulp. Presently, of all the raw material, wood pulp and bamboo predominate. The art of making paper was known to the Chinese as far back as 105 AD. In India, it was started during the Mughal period. Merits of paper industry. It enabled achieving self-sufficiency in most varieties of paper and paperboard with high quality. In fact, there has been sustained increase in production of all varieties of product. The production of newspaper also registered high growth because of realization of higher price and increasing exports. Functions of paper industry. Paper production in India includes several types which are regularly and largely used in printing, packing, writing and few specialty. Paper is one of the core industry and it is linked to the basic human needs. Paper is prerequisite for education and literacy and its use in an index of advancement in these two fields as well as the overall well-being of the society. This is the most important of all the forest-based industry. The first paper mill in the country was set up at Serampur, Bengal in 1812 but failed due to lack of demand for paper. In 1870, a fresh venture was started at Balganj near Kolkata. The government of India defined the paper industry as a core industry. It is a major paper producing state in India. Thank you.